I love multi-tools, and today we're checking this one out by Pro4 Tactical. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just found this company, Pro4 Tactical. They make a ton of great stuff, man. It's just like kid in a candy store when it comes to outdoor gear. And this 13-in-1 multi-tool here really intrigued me. First of all, it's not that big. So I think this is going to be a great glove box companion, backpacking, camping companion, something that you can take out on your Boy Scout trips. And I will also say that the price point on this makes it very attractive. So I'm going to take a look at this, and because of all the toolage in it, it's something that could make a great gift for the holidays. So I will tell you that when I used to go out exploring, and I was in Boy Scouts, you had like a pocket knife or you had just a single knife. And I have kind of found that having something like a multi-tool is just as compact and usually just better all around. First of all, the thing has some weight to it, that's for sure. You can see here, it fits in my hand pretty good. I have medium-sized hands, and it's got some size. It's not like one of those really small keychain micro tools. This is a serious micro tool, and I love the fact that the handles are large enough that I can get all my fingers on them so that I don't have to worry about kind of slipping around or not having quite enough leverage on it, on a smaller micro tool. So it's just about the right size to me. It has these black, I'm gonna say maybe like aluminum side panels. They're contoured here, so no sharp edges. You can see here how they're kind of rounded edges, so they feel great in the hand, and it's pretty nice looking. So if we open this sucker up, like I said, 13 tools in here, and the first thing is we get a large pair of pliers with cutters right at the base there. So that should be great for grabbing onto stuff. On this side here we get, looks like a saw. That looks like it's at least 2 inches. We get a Phillips head screwdriver right there. We also get next to it a flathead screwdriver. We also get can opener, bottle opener right over there. That's pretty cool. On this side, we get your large pocket knife. That looks like a 2-inch blade on that sucker. We also get another flathead screwdriver. We get a sharp knife tool right here. And we also get a file right there. Very long one. Now, the one thing I do want to show you here is if I push some of these back here, and I open up this knife all the way, it actually locks in place. That's something that I don't see on every one of these multi-tools. And the way it does it is there is a little notch right there, and there's this plate, and as you pull it back, that plate moves and it snaps into place. Now to close this, I just press right here and it'll release it, and now I can close it up. So the nice thing is, once this is open, I don't have to worry about the blade or the tool folding back on me until I hit the release there and push it back down. You can also see we have star bit axle right there so that you could remove this to remove the tools if you wanted. But this is just really, really cool. I dig it, man. Goes together like that. Fits in your hand, fits in a holster, your pocket. I tell you what, I'm planning a little winter adventure, and this sucker's going with me. If you want to pick up this multi-tool from Pro4 Tactical, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.